Death is the only certainty in life, and how bloody ironic is that?
Greetings. That was an interesting introduction, wasn't it? So I thought I'd just record and actually record this time, because, as you may notice, these wheel centres are primed up and ready for business. Now I thought I'd recorded that, but it turns out I didn't press record on the camera, so what I actually did was spray them while the camera wasn't doing anything. And then when I thought I'd stopped recording, I actually started recording, so I've got 2 seconds of nothingness, and yeah, that's about it. So as you can see, yeah, I've sprayed them up, used that filler primer. I'm going to give them a bit of a flatten down again. I filled the centres. They're not perfect, but I think I've decided what I'm going to do with these. Oops. So I bought this badge a long time ago, before I've got the other badge for the back of Henrietta. So I think I'm going to just get another 3 of these and use them, because I fancy having Rover Rover badges on the wheels rather than MG ones, because it's not an MG, it's a Rover. So I think they fit reasonably well. They seem to have got quite a good curvature on them. Plus, if I might end up just putting some of this tape underneath it anyway, because it's a bit squidgy if they come off. So I think that'll look alright. Yeah, they're quite flexible anyway. So I think that'll look alright. Obviously, I'm not leaving them yellow; they're going to be a different colour, but I think that'll be fine. I think that'll work alright. Quite happy with that. So I need to get into some more of these badges. Regarding the wheels, I think I wanted to do all 4 at once, but I'm not sure whether the driveways are a flat enough area to be able to put it on 4-axle stand, so I might end up doing 2 at a time. So I might have to do it over a week rather than a weekend. I've done a bit of a test on the colour, and I've put some lacquer on earlier, and actually, yeah, that looks pretty good. I don't know whether you'll be able to see on camera with the glint, but basically I sprayed the base coat, and then I put the holographic glitter on, and then I've put a top coat on, and it's dried really well. That, so that's going to be what I use. I'm just waiting now for actual proper primer to come through. I've ordered some other primer. That can go back down there. But I've got my top coats. Base coats. I've got my top coat, 1K clear lacquer there. I've got my hologram glitter can. So my next step is to paint these in the base colour and see what they come out like. So I shall do that now. Because my life is so exciting, as you've probably gathered from all these videos that I keep doing, where nothing much happens, what I've done is I've just flattened these off with a bit of, I think it was it 1200? 800 wet and dry, but I used it dry. And then I'm just going to panel wipe them, just to make sure there's no crap on them still. See all that dust coming off. And then when these are dry, I'm going to put a top coat on and see what it looks like. So the other primer I've bought, I think, is grey, but I'm hoping, I mean, it shouldn't make much of a difference if I put enough coats on anyway. They shouldn't look there shouldn't look different between the yellow primer and the grey primer, because it should be the base coat that colours it. But because these are at a completely different angle to the wheels anyway, because they're concaved and stuff, you shouldn't pick up any colour difference. That's the theory. It's a Friday evening at the moment, and I'm actually considering getting bike out this weekend, so I might end up taking that for a bit of a drive or a ride. Oh, where have you got bits on you? See, I've just wiped these, and now I'm putting finger grease back on them. Bloody thing, because they've got bits of paper on them. What's going on? Yeah, I expected these to be metal, but they're not, the plastic. So that makes it a bit easier. And I've seen one place on eBay where you can get the big MG stickers from. So if all else fails and whatever I do on them looks a bit crap, I've got other alternatives. Like there's a place where you can get donut stickers. So I was thinking of doing that, but I think I'll go for the Rover ones. I'll just show you again, just in case. It's not like that, but obviously middle of the wheel. Don't look too bad, does it? It'll look better when the wheels are painted, because it's more of a matching colour on that. But yeah, that's that. So I'll get it set up ready for spray painting, and then we'll have a look at that. So this is just a tiny little bit of a video, just basically document what's going on with these so far. Again, on camera, they don't pick up the same as they do in real life. Let me see if I can. Bit more of a comparison. Yeah, there's a bit more of a comparison of what they look like in real life. So they're darker than what they generally come out as, and there's more sparklies. Oh, I thought I was going to sneeze then, but I didn't. So yeah, little update. Stay in focus, you buggers. There you go. Well, you'll see what they look like on car at some point.